This is the main menu which will be available in all pages. Clicking this icon will hide the main menu. Clicking it again will show the main menu. This is the year selector. To display data correctly, the year selected here must be correct, e.g. if data from 2019 is to be viewed, the year here must be changed to 2019. The downward arrow to the left of the year will shift 1 year down. The upward arrow to the right of the year will shift 1 year up. More on the purposes of year and grouping by year. This is the backup button. Clicking this will start the manual backup process. If you go to any page, the main menu is hidden by default. Clicking on this area will show the main menu. Clicking on this area again will hide the main menu. Similarly, clicking on this icon will show the main menu. Clicking it again will hide the main menu. That's all, you are done. That's it. You're done.